Hey, what's Gucci, everybody? Your boy Sneak back with another video, man. And today I'm about to install this Magpul M-Lok hand stop kit. There you go. And I kind of just want to show anybody out there that doesn't know how to put something on the M-Lok rail, how you actually put this on there. So let me set this up right quick, and I'll try to get a nice close-up shot of how you need to actually, mount these on your rail. Alright, y'all, so to start off, you're going to start with whatever piece you're going to start with first. You do want to go ahead and put a little bit of thread locker on those screws. You don't need a lot. And then you want to start your back pieces on there. Make sure you put them on there correctly. You want the flat edge of it out, and the side that's a step, I don't know if y'all can see that, the side with the step on it, you want that going towards your screw. So start those on your screws. And sorry, I might be doing this a little bit off camera. This is a weird angle. There we go. And if you need to, you may need like a pliers or something like that. I like these skinny ones, and hold your hold your screw, take your Allen key, hex key on the other side, and so that you're able to twist it a little bit, twist it through. You don't want to go too far, but want to send it through some. Alright. Now this is the way I do it. I notice, some people do this different ways. So if you find a different way that you like and prefer, then hey, by all means, go with that. So that's what we got. We got, still a little bit of space in there. So you want to turn these straight so they're in the line. You want to get it hooked into whatever spot on your M-Lok rail that you want to put it in. So I want there. Now what I do, and the objective of this is, you're putting them in, running this way. You want to turn them and have them perpendicular to your rail or your handguard. So the tabs on the back side are going to end up, turned this way, and that's the way you want it. Now some people will, tighten them down a little bit more so that they don't have to do as much turning. What I do is, that's the reason for this. Alright, a little set of pliers. I actually like to man, if I can even get this thing. Alright, there we go. I like to hold my back side with a pair of these skinny pliers. So I'm gonna hold it one hand, the other hand I'm gonna turn that screw. same with both bolts. Now, if you find a different way that's easier for you, then by all means, you know, do what works for you. But I find this is the you know, the easiest way for me. So that's what I like to do. And once you get it to a certain point, it should stay you know, pretty much perpendicular, and that's it. There you go. I got my first piece on. You know, it's pretty locked on there, and you know, when you look through, y'all probably can't see this now, but when you look through, you'll see that it's perpendicular. And if it's not, all you gotta do is back it off a little bit and then continue to turn it, and just make sure it locks on perpendicular. So that's pretty much it for this video. You know, just a quick video how to put something on the M-Lok rail. If you want to support the channel, just go ahead and leave a like, subscribe if you're not subscribed already, and I'll catch y'all in the next one. Peace out for now. Squad.